standing right over here. Hi, big burgers. Well, she obviously wants her class fame. Blue crown conures come from Central and South America. Jill is roughly 3 years old, and she actually has a twin brother. His name is Jack. Got the Jill? Good. Zunny, Flapper. Come on. What are you, stage right now? Come on. Very good. All right, like I said, she's working on her head skin. So put one of your hands out nice and flat. You can stay right there. All the way out to the side, like you're going to carry a tray. Like, perfect. Flatten out those fingers. Jill, go. Hold still. Good. Headstand. She's just checking it out. Oh! Oh, she just wanted to do headstand. Hi. I love you too. You want to try again? You can just shake your arm out there for a second. There you go. Put that hand back out. It's only good luck, that's all. Oh, good. Go. Hold still. Headstand.
Headstand.
Headstand. She's checking something out up there. Come back. She's got that part down.